Welcome to Peggy's Homestead Adventures. Meet Peggy, a cheerful young farmer starting her own homestead. Join her as she embarks on exciting journeys and learns valuable lessons along the way. Peggy carefully opens the boxes, revealing seeds and gardening tools. Biscuit the goat and friends playfully nudges Peggy, their mischievous eyes filled with curiosity. Peggy carefully digs tiny holes in the soft soil, placing seeds gently into each one. As Peggy wanders through the homestead, she stumbles upon a shimmering pond under the shade of a tree. After visiting a neighbor's garden, Peggy went in search of old clothes and a broomstick to build a friendly scarecrow named Scamp to guard her garden. Peggy and Biscuit trot through the yard, admiring the wildflowers dancing in the breeze. The aroma of freshly baked bread fills Peggy's cozy kitchen, making her smile with satisfaction. Peggy proudly displays her colorful harvest at the farmer's market, chatting with neighbors and making new friends. Peggy hears soft whimpers and discovers a timid puppy hiding behind a bush, lost and alone. Under the twinkling stars, Peggy reflects on her exciting week, feeling thankful for her homestead and the new friends she's made. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more of Peggy's Homestead Adventures.